Hello everybody, this is Renee Retton, and in this very short video we're going to show you how to complete your activation to become a paid affiliate for Tapestri. Okay everybody, if you have signed up for Tapestri or started the sign up process but you haven't completed it and become an affiliate, all you have to do is go to Tapestri.io, it's like that, and then you'll have the option to log in. So go ahead and log in. I've got my stuff remembered here. So it is going to log me in. Now, depending on where you're at in the process, how far you have gone, it might just pop up right now and offer you to upgrade. If that's not the case, then go over here under business and my subscription. And then you're going to be able to pay. Now mine is all active and everything, so I don't have to do anything. But at this point then you would be able to go ahead and pay. It would pop up and have you go ahead and pay. And so that's how you could upgrade to the $9.95, which gets you the opportunity to earn on 2 levels instead of just 1, and then more bonuses, of course, as your team begins to grow. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions, go ahead and get back to the person who is helping you sign up, and we'll help you further if that's necessary. Thank you. Bye-bye. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. This is Renee Retton. Thank you.